Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into Teamgo's Visitor Board, a game changer for workplace management. Let's see how it can transform your visitor and employee tracking. The Visitor Board connects to your web TV, turning it into a live display of everyone on site. It's a real-time visual tool that enhances security and efficiency. With customizable workflows, you can easily induct visitors, build forms, request documents, schedule meetings, and issue QR codes. Everything you need right at your fingertips. Employee recognition is made easy. The board shows who's on site with their name, photo, job title, and contact info, helping you get to know your colleagues better. Waiting for a visitor? Recognize them instantly and greet them warmly, making a great first impression. For added security, the visitor board displays photos of unknown persons signing in, ensuring only authorized individuals are on your premises. To sum it up, the Teamgo Visitor Board keeps track of who's on site, enhances security, and makes warmer introductions. If you want to upgrade your visitor management, this is the feature for you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Got questions about the Visitor Board?